Hey guys, what's up? So I'm coming at you with unfixed hair today to give you this St. Patrick's Day look using the Makeup Institute of Los Angeles's Man Eater palette. Let's jump into it. So the Makeup Institute of Los Angeles was kind enough to send me some goodies, you guys. They sent me this gorgeous palette that we will be using today to create this look on my eyes. They also sent over these beautiful green Hank and Henry brushes that come in this cute little duster bag. Super cute. We'll be using these as well. They sent over some St. Patrick's Day stickers. I used some of the gems from this little sheet. And they sent over some cute little St. Patrick's Day hair clip-ins, as well as some Kiss Me glasses. Get me real festive here. You guys, look at how soft the bristles are on these brushes. They feel so nice on the skin too. Wow. I actually did not get to use these for my full face look because by the time I was done with my full face, I realized, oh my gosh, I didn't even freaking use these brushes. So I did use them on my eyes, however. But yeah, ooh, this hair is crazy. I'm about to go fix it right now, you guys. If you want to see how I got this look, then just stay tuned. Okay, so what I'm starting out with first is this Hank and Henry color canvas paint in the shade yellow. I'm just gonna give my eye a nice base for everything to hold on to. All right, and now we're gonna go in with the Makeup Institute of Los Angeles's Man Eater palette. This palette is so gorgeous, love it. And I'm going to start out with the shade called Snapped, which is kind of a greenish khaki color is how I would describe it. I'm just gonna take that on this brush right here. And I'm just going to place this on the outer portion of the eye here. Next, I'm gonna go in with the shade called Black Widow, which is a dark brown. And that's just gonna go right here on the outer portion of the eye. Next, I'm going in with the shade Heartbreaker, which is right here. And that's just gonna go right next to Black Widow. Then to kind of blend out the top of that area, I'm taking the shade Ghosted, which is right here. And I'm just going to kind of blend this color into the crease, as well as push it forward a bit. Now we're gonna go in with She Killa, which is this metallic, shimmery, beautiful green here. And I'm just going to place that right on the lid. And then we're gonna finish off the lid using Hate 'Em, which is this metallic green at the end of the palette. And this is so, so pretty. All right, so now I'm gonna line my eyes with this Appeal Cosmetics gel liner, and this is in the shade Forest Green. And I just thought that this was a nice touch to kind of bring everything together. Now I'm gonna go in with Hatchet, and I'm just going to kind of buff that out a bit. And then we're gonna go back in with Ghosted, which is that lightest green shade. And I'm just going to blend that out even further. Really blow it out. I'm also gonna take a tiny bit of that Black Widow shade and just kind of match up that outer corner. Now I'm going to go in with the Makeup Institute's Brightmare Drip Liner in the shade Head Trip, and we're just going to do a little bit of liner. I'm going to outline my brow as well as do a little line at the front of the eye. I am also going to take a little bit of the Makeup Institute's glitter in the shade Wicked. It's this beautiful green, and I'm just going to place that right into the center of the eye, just a tiny bit. I don't want to cover up what we've done. I just wanted a little pop of glitter. So I'm going to place some eyelash glue down and then apply that glitter right on top. Also doing a little bit on the lower lash line as well. And this is the final St. Patrick's Day look using the Makeup Institute's Man Eater palette. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.